Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font size on any iPhone. It's really simple and easy. So this guide will work on all type of iPhones, but the first thing you need to do is go and open up the settings app just like this. Then what you need to do is scroll down until you go into this display and brightness. Tap on it. And as you can see this option here, text size, you can see, but what you have to do is you have to scroll down further an older version of iOS with slightly further down on the page. So either you could just go make the text bold or we can go and adjust the size. So I will show you how to do both. So tap on this text size here and now it says apps that support dynamic type will adjust preferred reading size below. So what you can do is just use the dragger to go and increase the size like this. What it's going to show, what it's going to do, it's going to show you how it's going to look after you go and adjust it. So the biggest size look like this, and now when you go back it then going to be adjusted as you can see here. And now if you go back you will see the text is much bigger. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.